Come test drive this 2000 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe provides exceptional value. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.